Now coming to the next field, next data type. So we have discussed this till currency, right? Now date. If you want to create any date type field, like if you want to put date of birth, okay, then you can select as a date. It will allow to select data from the calendar. Okay, next. Date of birth or DOB we can mention. I just want to give it to the system admin. Next, I want to add in the page layout. Okay, save. So now if I will clone it, then it will ask for date of birth as well. And here we have calendar, right? So we can select this year of birth. Suppose his birth was 1990. Okay, and then we have to select this month, whatever the month it was. Suppose July 10th July. So I have selected as 10th July 1990 and save it. Then it will populate this date of birth. And see, date of birth is not coming here. Now it's coming, date of birth, right? So we had given 10th July 1990, right? So first of all, it comes the date of birth format is month, date, and year. Okay. Any doubt in date of birth? Current date field.
No, sir.
Okay. Now date and time. Date and time contains date as well as time both. Suppose I want to put date of birth with birth time. Okay. Then we can select this. Else, suppose I am creating date time field for any business requirement where we have to give a date and time so that the bill will trigger to the customer. Like bill should be triggered on 10th July at 10 p.m. Okay. So for that I have to select a date and time, and then during record creation I will give a date as well as time both, and that will trigger a billing system to send the bill to the customer. So that type of scenario we have where we can utilize date and time. Okay, I'm just creating a date and time. Next, DOB date and time. I'm just giving the field name. Okay. Next, just keep as it is. I will not make any change. Layout. Okay, the field got created. Here, if I will come and refresh multiple time, then it will come. Salesforce has stored data, pull data from cache for some time. Okay. So either the best option is to log out and log in, else just give some time, some seconds, and then it populates. One second. Later I will just tone it. Okay, so here I have opened in incognito, so it's coming because in incognito, like we don't need to clear cache, right? I hope you are aware about that. So here we have date of birth and the new field DOB date and time. Okay, so in DOB date of time, I just have to enter that date. It was 90 July 10th July, na?
Yes, right.
I have given 10th July 90 and timing I'm just putting it like birth timing was 2:15 p.m. or if it's 15 or 10, so we can update here. Okay, and here also I will give as 1990 July 10th July. Okay, I will save it. So you can see the difference between date and time both, right? Date contains only date and time contains time as well. 10th July 90 to 10 p.m. So difference is clear, right? Any doubt in date and date time field?
No, sir.
Okay, I will go to the next data type, email. So you know what is the email, right? What is the email format?
Yes, sir.
If you want to enter email and data, then we have to create a field with email. This name you can put anything. Next, leave as it is. Next, layout and save it. So email field got created. If I will go and create a new record, then it will ask for email. So here we have to populate data in email format, right? Like, oh yes, Kumar. I have not given any @gmail.com, right? Or any yahoo.com. So it will not allow to save because it's not text, it's an email. So we must have to enter data in the email format. Else, here it's throwing this error. And even though if you try to save, it will not allow. Review the following field. Here is the error. Email ID is invalid, right? As soon as I yes Kumar at rate gmail.com, so it will allow to save. It will not go and validate to that Gmail account like if that is valid or not. It will simply create here. Those validation we can put later, but for now it will allow to save. Okay. Here email got saved. Now I will go to the next data type. Any doubt in email field?
No, sir.
Geolocation. Yep. So geolocation, suppose you want to store data for latitude, longitude for map, right? So in that case, we have to create a field with geolocation, and it store lat long value. Location, I'm just putting decimal places, 50 dimension decimal. Must be volume less than 16. So I hope you are able to see this screen, right? Recorder screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let long. Okay. Coming. We have created location. Save location. Geolocation. Edit. Save it. Wrong. Because that has been not the location field we have not added in the layout, so that's why it's not coming. Okay, we will add that later. I will explain this page layout thing after this after the completion of this data type. Okay. Geolocation we have number. Okay. So number, if you want to put any number, then we can go and enter create this number field. Okay. So here we have number percentage phone. Okay. So I will just give account number. Okay. uh, Bank account number. Bank account number, it will be 10 digit only or 16 digit only. Okay. So it will allow up to 16 digit. So every bank is having a fixed digit, right? By mistake, you can't put extra number. So that's why we can add a validation here so that it will not allow. So I've created this bank account number and that field will come on the record. If I will go and create new one there. 1 second. Resource layout. Bank account I added here. Email system generated. Okay, so I have logged out and then re-log in, then it's coming. Location, latitude, whatever you want to put the latitude. Okay, and longitude should be decimal number in the range 1990. Okay, so latitude and longitude format we have to put bank account number. Suppose I want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Save it. Now it's storing that bank account number. Okay, so next one is number we have created percentage. Percentage will normally add percent sign, and we can use it for formula as well as displaying any percentage of number. Like if I want to store 10th class percentage, then we can put that, like degree percentage I want to put. Okay, and that percentage should be maximum 100, right? That is 3 digit. It will not accept more than 3. Next, next, save it. So we have created a degree percentage field. Okay, so if I will go to yes record and try to clone it, then it should display that percentage field, but that is not coming just because of cache. It will come if I will refresh multiple times. Here it's coming, right? Degree percentage. Okay. Suppose degree percentage is 90, so I will just put 90. If I will put 4 digit, then it will not allow, right? Because I have added as a 3 digit only. The percentage should be maximum 100, correct? I mean 3 digits, so I'm just putting it as a 90%. I will try to save it. So here you can see this percentage sign has been added, right? So if you want to display data, search data, then we have to go with that percentage field. Okay. Next is
Sir, sir,
uh,
sir,
where
is it possible to create a limit
your
in
voice is not
between zero
clear.
to hello? Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yeah.
Sir, is it possible to create a range between 0 to 99.9?
Yes, 99.9. Yes, it's possible. You have to put that decimal place in that field. Like if I will go and edit this one, so 90%, it will be 90% 99, right? If I will save it, so it's treating as a 91%. If I will put it as a 60, save it, it's treating as a 91% because if you will see the field here decimal places we had added as 0, right? I will just put it as decimal places 2 and total it will be 5. I will save it and I will go to the record page. And I will just clone this record. 99.30. Save it. So now it's displaying as 90.30. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
And if we will not put that decimal place, so it will round off. Round off means if you will put it 90.30, so it will be 90. If 90.60 or 70, then it will be treated as a 91. Okay. Okay, I will just go to the next one. Object, new field. Percent phone. If you want to put a phone number, then we have to select a phone, and then you have to give any name, and then next, next, save it. Okay. Let me add another field as well, so that we can check in one go on the record. I have created this number field, percentage phone. Okay, peak list. Peak list is like you must have seen at multiple places. If you are selecting a degree, then you will get multiple options, right? B.Tech, diploma. Like if you are selecting a state, then it displays multiple states, right? So that is a peak list value, and peak list multi-select we have means in this peak list we can select only one value, and this in multi-select peak list we can select multiple value from the list. Okay, so I will just create like what data we want to store here. Degree. D. Suppose I want to store a degree. Okay. Use global pick list value and enter value with each value separately by a new. If you want to pull like global value, we say create separately. So we have to create and select here. I want to give entry like B.Tech, then enter diploma, BCA, okay, MCA, B.Tech, M.Tech, okay. I have a B.Tech, M.Tech, diploma, BCA, MCA. This value I have given. Here we have option display value alphabetically. So here I have not added in alphanumeric order, right? In alphabetical order, I have not added. So if you want to display in alphabetical order, then we have to select this display value in alphabetical, and use first value as a default means whatever the value will be on top, so that will be selected as by default value. Okay, so I'm not selecting any default value. So every time we have to create. I mean we have to select. Okay. So this is pick list single select, and I will go to pick list multi select now. Pick list multi select next. Hmm. Multiple degree. Okay. Again here I'm giving this name B Tech
Sir,
M Tech
sir,
BCA MCA diploma.
sir, we can use it for like technical skills like Firstly, we select BTech, MTech,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
whatever.
we can like we can say as a language also, no? Suppose I'm putting it language, okay? Language as Java, HTML, CSS, PHP, Salesforce, Android, okay? This next. It totally depends on us what value we want to put. System will not understand its correct value or not. It will just give option to select from there. Okay, so if I will just refresh this and I will clone it. 1 second. Page layout. Okay, phone, degree, language. Clone it. Immediately log out and then log in. Okay, so here you can see this phone number it's asking, right? Like, pick list we had created for degree, whatever the value we had given, it's coming as alphanumeric, right? BTech, BCA, Diploma, MTech, MCA. So we can select only one value from here, not more than one. That is known as pick list. Here we have multi-select, right? So language we have selected as a multi-select. So we can select multiple value. Even you can select all value. Okay, I have selected all the skills and I will save it. So here you can see the difference between single pick list and multi-select pick list. Multi-select is having all pick list values selected as and by semicolon. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is a multi-select pick list. We are done. Text. Text I had explained earlier, like father name. Okay, character I want to select as 50. Suppose if you want to store any alphanumeric value, so those things will be part of this text one, and it can contain up to 255 characters, maximum up to 255 text, normal text. Okay, I will go to the record later. Let's go to another text area. Okay, in text we have multiple types: text area, text area long, text area rich. Okay, here you can see the difference. Text area allow enter 250 characters in multiple lines. Suppose you want to store some paragraph. in multiple lines. So you can use this text area. But in text, it should be in the single line. Text area long, it can allow up to 1,31,072 characters in multiple lines. And text area rich, it's allow up to 1,31,072 character, and also it's allowed to store images file. We can add multiple links, we can add images as well. So if you want to store image, link and all, then we have to go to this rich text area. Okay. Next one is encrypted. If you want, okay. So this text encrypted. If you want to store some data which should be in encrypted format, then we have to store it as text encrypted. Okay. Let me create this one text field, and text field I have already created, right? Text area, or you can do a practice at your home, okay, by creating a field for each type. Here I will just select this text area long, or suppose I am creating text area rich, okay, and I want to store complete information about Yes Kumar. Yes, you will a summary of yes. Okay. By default is 32,768. I'm just putting it as 1 lakh character. Okay. Here you can see 1 lakh 31,072 character limit is we have, but I'm putting it as 1 lakh characters. Visible lines. So how many lines you want to display on the record level? Like here, if I will add, then how many lines you want to display? If you will give us 25 lines, so it will display 25 lines. If you want to put 2 or 3 lines, then you can display, it will display 2 3 lines here, and rest you will get after clicking on the edit. So for testing purpose, I'm just putting it as 5 lines. Okay, next. A number of visible lines must be greater than or equal to 10. Okay, here reach 10. Minimum it should be 10. So I'm just putting it as 10 lines. Next, and save and new. I will go to the record later. Let's create another field, that is text encrypted. And why we use text encrypted? To encrypt the data so that we can store some secure data. Like I want to store password, our ATM pin. Okay, ATM pin, and I want to store as 6 digit. Here it will ask for masking type. What type of masking you want to? Mask all characters, last 4 characters clear, credit card number, national insurance number, social security number, social insurance number. What type of masking? Masking all character I'm just putting, and one second. Here masking character, what type of character you want to display? You want to display as a star star or XX? So here we have option. I just want to display as a star. So it will display as a star a like below. If I select this as a X, so it will display like this. Okay, so I'm just putting it as a star for now. Next. Hmm. Save, save and new. Okay, I have explained this text encrypted, and let's create a time field as well. What will the birth time? Okay, next, save and new. And I will also create a URL. URL, suppose you want to put any data related to website. Okay, so those things we can store under URL type. Or if you want to store LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile link. Okay, so those type of information we can. Where I just want to store website, so I will just name it as website. Next, save. Okay, and if I will come to here, somebody for this name. I want to put ATM, both time, website. Okay, and summary also here. If I will go and log out, then log in. Source 13. I will just clone it. Okay. So and this ATM pin was encrypted one, right? So I will just put 987654. Birth time we can put 12:15, or what was the what 2 p.m. 2:10 p.m. Website abc.com, www.abc.com. This is a summary of yes we had, which I was saying. So here we can select, we can design our content. Okay, suppose I want to import some image here, so we can also import. Download, do we have any file? Okay, let me download one image file. Sales, Salesforce logo. Okay, image, or I will just store this one. Save image, download. Yes. Okay, so I will come here. I will select this image, and I will also write some summary. Just what you want to add something. I am, yes. I play game every time I am learning Salesforce. I am doing BCA. I love playing cricket. What else you want to add? Yes. Okay, for time being, we
सर
will.
क्या?
Sir, he is not playing cricket, he is
It's
playing
summary
BGMI.
like text area reach, right? So here we can add value in multiple lines.
ओके
Okay.
सर.
I will just save. So after saving, you can see this, right? Difference, text, and also father's name. No? What do you want to put his father's name?
संजीव कुमार.
Sanjw Kumar. So this is the normal text field, father's name, and this summary of yes is the text area reach, where you can store image as well as data in multiple lines, right? And here you can put in a single line. I had explained about this website, so your website is coming as a web format. If you will put just a normal data like ABC, it will not allow to save. Website abc.com. Okay, we have to add validation, then it will not accept. It's stating as a text. Birth time, that is time field. Okay, so here we have added to 10 p.m. ATM pin that was encrypted type, right?
यस सर.
This ATM pin we had created as a text encrypted up to 6
ओके
characters,
सर.
and we had selected as a star to display, right? So that's why that pin is not displaying just for security purpose, and it's displaying as a star star. See here it's coming as a star because it's encrypted. So is it clear about the data type? Any doubt?
नो सर.
This is all the
नो
data
सर.
type we have. I will explain this relationship data type in later classes. This lookup master and external lookup, these three. Okay, I will explain it in later classes.